everyone, welcome to another episode of our Know Your Neighbor World Series. Yay, I'm delighted to be back here with you all. Yes, your live Google map is here again. Now, you might be wondering, where am I? Well, I am right here in Ibeju, Lekki, the most talked about part of Lagos here right now. You know what Yoruba say, Omoton so lower, lower. The hottest environment right now. Do you know, let me tell you guys something. Do you know that this area, in a very short period of time, is going to be, if not more expensive, than the VI Ikoyi environment, Lekki market? This is not going to be in the next maximum, let's say in another 1 decade. So, watch out. Anyways, I am currently at this part of Ibeju Lekki that is not mostly talked about. You know, the parts of Ibeju Lekki that we talk about so much, everybody concentrate their energy on, is the part where you go to the Dangote refinery houses, the Lekki Free Trade Zone houses. But where I am right now is this part that is not talked about so much, which is inward Epe. Now, I'm in Lekki Junction, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to be showing you guys what this part looks like to a remarkable point. Hopefully before we get to the bridge, to the longest bridge, and then we will see. So I want you to be attentive and please watch the video to the very end, because the truth is, videos like this, if you don't watch it to the very end, you're not going to see much and you're not going to hear the full information that I have for you. Honestly, I am always delighted to be your live Google map. But we need, I say before we get up there, that please, going forward, like I said in my previous video, if you are going to be calling me and furthermore making inquiries on properties that are not listed in our portfolio, and you want me to give you more information about, let's say, this environment, just know that before I answer A, B, C, you are going to be paying me for it. Time, they say, is money, and my highest, most expensive resources right now is time. Like I'm talking to you today, right now, it just literally finished raining, and it's still about to rain. I have to sit in my car for hours, waiting for this rain to just chill. We're moving into the rainy season. I have a lot of people, so please, I'm sorry, but it has come to that, because I see people just don't have value for my time, and they just want to be on the phone. They keep me on the phone for hours, and you know, when you don't answer them, it feels like I just want everybody to respect my time. And if you buy the property from me, you know, some people say, oh, don't worry, when if that's the script, they come and say, oh, when next we want to buy a property, what's Sean gonna do? I know people who have done that. But if you pay me $100 or £100 and I do the consultation for you, when you come and buy a property for us, we know that your name will refund your money. So are you guys ready? That's by the way, sir. I just wanted to say it because it's a serious thing. Anyway, you see, it's starting to rain. But anyway, before this rain gets to be too bad, let's get up there and let's get as far as we can walk, as we can get. So hey, come. Your pilot is ready. Fasten your seatbelt, and let's go see this unspoken part of Ibeju Lekki. So this is Lekki Junction, like I said. You see where the truck is coming out from? The car is going in here. This is Lekki. This is going into the Dangote refinery, but today we're not going in there. We're going to be going straight down, like I mentioned earlier. So I want to show you guys this environment. What's it even looking like? So I want to show you guys this Lekki Junction to as far as we can get to, so that you can see how and what this environment is looking like in March. So it just recently rained, and you can see that the grounds are wet. Now, before I go further down, let me show you guys the entrance into Lekki Havana. You guys see? This is it. You see, Lekki Havana is just inside there. Straight down, this is Lekki Havana. So those of you who bought into Lekki Havana, this is what it looks like. This is the road, where the road is right now, and straight down, if I go inside, is Lekki Havana, ladies and gentlemen. You see that it's not far from Lekki Junction, like I said in my video back then. And you guys see, it is not far from Lekki Junction. So My aim today is to show you this surrounding and how this road networks is. You know, they've done this road and it's so smooth right now. It's a road that has been done for a while and it's very smooth. It's the first rehabilitation that was done. So like I said, I'm just trying to show you guys what this particular place looked like in 2025. The road has been done way before now. It was the first section that the government did road rehabilitation. And of course, I'll be showing you guys some estates. There are some estates around here. I don't know much about it, but there are some estates there. And then I'll be showing you as much landmark as I can. However, we're going to be concentrating on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, Pan-African University has been here for a while now. They've been here for a while and it's a very good, expensive school, which is just here. So I'll be showing you guys Pan-African University, which is what you're already seeing by my left. By my left, you're already seeing it. That's the fence, you can see. However, I'll show you guys the entrance when I get to the entrance. And by my right is the Eleganza industry, which has been situated here for a long time. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just turn around a bit. This is Pan-African University. This is the entrance into it, see all these places is Pan-African University. You can see it. Can you guys see? That's Pan-African University. You see it's inside. So let me turn this way and properly show you guys the entrance. This is the entrance. So you drive straight down and voila, that's the Pan-African University. But I'm not going to show too much. Come back to the road. Remember, I'm just going to show you various landmarks as possible while we go and focus on the road. Now, the Eleganza industry have been here for a while. Honestly, I always ask myself, what did they thought about, you know, when Ibeju was investing in a place like this back then, years ago. Can you guys see? Years ago when he was just investing in this place. What was he thinking about? Did he see all of this coming? I wish I can have an interview with him to ask him questions. What was his third pattern? What did he see? I know he has foresight, yes. He's one of the few investors around here that have massive foresight. But the question is, what really did he see? I mean, this is serious foresight, to be honest. It's a serious one. So yeah, this is the entrance into the industry. I'm getting to where this is the entrance. You guys see it? It's massive. You guys see? You guys see? It's big. Eleganza Industries. You guys see? The functionality of the industry at the moment, I'm not sure I really have an idea. However, let's just keep going. Focus back on the road. So what I'm saying in essence is that if someone like Ibeju had invested massively in Ibeju Lekki 8 decades ago, how much more now, you and I, that we're seeing what is happening in the environment, the infrastructures coming in and everything, how much us? How much more now? So if you're still thinking that Ibeju Lekki is not a place you should invest in, then I think you should think again. And also the other reason why I'm showing you guys this part of Ibeju Lekki is because I just want to establish the fact that there are two parts to Ibeju Lekki. This part of Ibeju Lekki towards Epe and the other part towards the Dangote refinery area. So when you hear Ibeju Lekki, please don't think that it's just the Dangote refinery as is only. That is Ibeju Lekki. This part is also Ibeju Lekki, basically. So yeah, let's just keep going. I'll keep showing you guys as much part as I can. So yes, just to get you guys familiar with this environment and what is happening. So if you're going to go to Epe, from here all the way to Epe is this smooth route. This is the way the road is. It's a smooth drive all the way to enter into Epe. So I just wanted to add that so that you guys can know that. And when we say, oh, it's a smooth drive all the way to Epe, you understand what that's basically mean right now. So a whole lot is happening around this environment, a whole lot. These communities, basically, I won't be able to name them in terms of the name of the villages and all of that. So just so that I'm not giving you guys wrong information, I'll just keep it at not naming the villages. But there are just villages around this community, but we're still under Ibeju Lekki, basically. So you see how busy it is. Now, like I said, it just finished raining some few minutes ago before I did this. Even doing this right now, there's a strong wind rather. I'm just gonna get to as far as I can get to on this road to show you guys what is happening and how it's looking and how busy it is for the meantime. And that's where I'm going to stop, because like I said, we're gradually entering into the rainy season. It's just rained and it's been raining on the mainland for a while now, so already on the rainy season. This is an estate. This is an estate facing the road, and then yeah, I don't know the name of the estate. Anyways, I'm just saying it because I remember the last time I did a video like this, when I said people should not ask me about certain properties. People were saying, what do I mean? Well, the reason why I said that is because some of these properties I didn't sell them, and I would be giving you a wrong information. Okay, if I tell you that I know what's happening there, I mean, I just don't like to put out wrong information. That's why I say don't ask me, because if you ask me, that would take me giving you wrong information. And for those of you who like to be asking plenty questions, because I said that I am your life Google map, you now call me, spend time on the phone, asking me questions, this, that. I don't mind though. But like I said in my previous video, please just know that when you're asking me a question that has nothing to do with the properties we listed, just be ready to pay your $100 or £100. Shaking out. When you pay, then you can do your consultation. I can consult for you. I'm sorry you have to get to that, but I put in a lot of resources, like I said, and it's really, what I do is really time consuming, and I think it's unfair for me to now sit on the phone 2 hours, 3 hours answering questions, helping people to make decisions that has nothing to do with me and all of that. Now for my clients, of course, and for those that will always say, oh goodness, don't worry, when I'm ready to buy the property, I'll come to you. Don't worry, when you come back, we'll refund your consultation fee. Yes, sorry, that's how it has to be. Right now, well, anyways, let's get back on the road. I just had to mention that so you guys can see how smooth this road is. You see how this community is. It's looking very fine actually, even though the rain is just finished raining. It's looking very fine. By the way, yeah, it just finished raining. Yeah, not very heavily, but because we're just gradually getting into the rainy season though, so yeah, let's say it's a beautiful one, and you guys can see all the way. So I'm approaching a bridge now, which is where I would be rounding up this video today. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we should round it up here. Yes, after this bridge. So because after this bridge is where I'm going to round it up at this place actually. Now this is the environment where we have So this is the community where we have Coral City Waterfront. Yeah, this is the community. You can enter through this place. Yes, can enter through this place. After that, school is where the waterfront is and all of that. So if we go straight further down, it leads us into the what's it called, the bridge. Okay. Unfortunately, it's still very windy, and then this bridge is long. It seems to be the longest bridge around here. So I'm just going to show you guys around, and then let's come down here for safety reasons. Yeah. All right, I promise you guys that I'm going to kick off from this bridge at some point and show you guys the spots and show you guys what's happening. You see, the sky is still, even, you see, when I say just finished raining, can you guys see? The sky is still gearing up in terms of the rain. Can you see? We're entering into the rainy season. I don't know what we're going to do with this Know Your Neighborhood series, but I'm just going to try and see. Okay, guys, so that's it on this particular episode of a Know Your Neighborhood series. What do you think about this particular part of Ibeju? Like I said, I'm yet to get into Epe. Actually, after this bridge, slightly down forward, the bridge is a very long bridge. And because it's very windy, like I mentioned, and I don't want to risk it. So immediately after the bridge, slightly is where you now approach where we have Fairmont Green and all of that. And then afterwards is then no longer Ibeju Lekki. But all of these areas that I've just shown you is still part of Ibeju Lekki. So after watching this video, if you hear about Ibeju Lekki, please know, you now know rather, that it's not just the Dangote refinery area, that this is also under Ibeju Lekki local government. Thank you for doing this with us. My name remains Goodness Usman, the queen of landlord maker. Now, if you're interested in buying property, land, houses in Ibeju Lekki, I'm your go-to person. Speak with me today. I'll send referrals my way. Please don't watch my videos and then go to somebody else to go patronize them. Like I said again, sorry, we have to do this. If you call me and you want to use me as your further life Google map, no problem, but you're just going to pay for it. So that I know that while I'm spending 4 hours, 5 hours on the phone, answering your questions for so many things, I would know that you're paying for my time. Because really, time is right now money. So all right, I'll see you guys in the comment section. Let's get you rolling. What do you think about this environment? What do you think about the entire Ibeju Lekki itself, local government itself? And hey, where do you want us to go next? Because we're moving around. Even when it comes to raining, when it's not raining, we will figure it out. I'm going to see you in the next episode or the next Know Your Neighborhood series. Please, until now, ensure that you remain safe and awesome, just the way you are. So I say to you, oh.